Hello, boys and girls. I hope you are having a wonderful Wednesday and are ready to go with our word of the day. So, as you can see, I have my paper here from me this week, and I'm just going to turn it over. So, making sure you write your name and the date again on the top of your paper. So, I'm going to write Mrs. Rondo. And today is April 8th, 2020. So I'm going to write 4-8-20. Okay, go ahead, making sure you have your name and your date on your paper. And then your word today is crab. Crab. Make sure you're stretching it out and writing all of the sounds. Crab. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to get started. Let's stretch out the word crab. Ready? Get your fingers ready. Crab. Say it fast. Crab. Okay, let's do it on our hand. Ready? Crab. How many sounds? 4. Good. Okay, here we go. What's the first sound in crab? It's going to be letter C. Like Raymond and Rose on Hill. Crab. 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 Good. Making sure you write your word. Look, my first 3 letters, they all stay between the stairs and the floor. And then letter B, we got to start at the ceiling, making sure they're all in a straight line. Crab. Okay, after you finished writing your word crab, I want you to think of rhyming words. Crab, cab, lab, dab. Can you think of any new rhyming words? Rhyming words. You know what? Today I'm going to go with a tricky word because it's also going to have 4 sounds. So my rhyming word today is going to be the word grab. Grab. Crab, grab. Good. Make sure you have your rhyming word. And now we're going to make our sentence. Our sentence today is going to be, I can see a crab at the beach. Oh, that sounds like a lot of words in our sentence. Let's count it out. Ready? I can see a crab at the beach. 5 and 3 makes how many? 8. 8 words in this sentence. Nice job. I think every day this week we've made our sentence just a little bit bigger. Okay, first word, I. Always a capital letter when we write I, so starting with I. I. Don't forget your spaceman. Every time we start a new word, we have to have spaceman. I can. Can's another sight word. How do you write it? C-A-N. I can see. See's a sight word. How do you write it? Making sure you have your spaceman in there. S-E-E. I can see a, what letter are we going to write? Is it going to be capital or lowercase? Always lowercase a. Good. I can see a crab. That's your word of the day. Write the word crab. Okay, let's read it again. Ready? I can see a crab at. At's another sight word. How are we going to write at? A-T. Make sure you have your spaceman again. Let's read it. Ready? I can see a crab at the. We all know how to write the. How do we write it? T-H-E. Good. I can see a crab at the beach. I don't think I'm going to fit it here, so I'm going to come down to this next line. Ooh, let's stretch it out. Ready? Each. Okay, I only hear 3 sounds, but this is going to be a tricky one. So our first sound, b, 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 writing letter B, b, e. So for this one, to make it say E, we have to write letters E, A together. That way we know it says E and not eh. So b, each. That's an H brother. Which H brother says ch? Like choo choo. Is that going to be Charlie, Shane, Theo, or Wheelie? It's going to be Charlie. So we need to write CH. Okay, let's read our sentence. I can see a crab at the beach. What do we need at the end of a sentence? Period. Nice job, boys and girls. Making sure you go and read this to one other person in your family and have a great day today. Keep up all your hard work. Bye.